The Medicines Manufacturing Innovation Centre will ultimately revolutionise how we treat patients in the future.
We're bringing together pharmaceutical companies that have never worked together with clusters of academics and technology companies where they're bringing their knowledge and data and information to create an advanced, improved technology outcome for how we make medicines. I want to make a difference in people's lives.
There's an old quote which is, "The future's here, it's just not very well distributed." Our role, as I see it, is taking the best bits of the future and making sure that the world gets them so that people can get better.
The aim of it is to accelerate the introduction of new technology into medicines manufacturing for the benefit of patients, the environment and the UK economy.
We're encouraged to think outside the box. We're solving problems that no one else can solve, so we're encouraged to think and create new solutions.
No one company can do what we do, so by doing it collectively and collaboratively, we can have a much, much bigger success.
What excites me the most is the impact these new technologies and digital solutions will have on the end patient.
My son had leukemia. He had personalised therapy. Where I started my career was as a pharmacist treating patients. So one of the great things about the Medicines Manufacturing Innovation Centre is it allows me to take that part of me that's a professional that does thing A. It enables me to be the dad that I have needed to be with a child who wasn't very well, who thankfully now is well, which is fantastic. And it also enables me to feel like I'm making still a meaningful impact to other people like my son.
I have a love for innovation, and when I received that phone call, how could you not take this opportunity? An opportunity to make a difference in a pre-competitive space, it's big pharma names, it's revolutionary.
The thing that really gets me out of bed, it's not just about delivering high quality medicine to patients. For me, there's also a social aspect to working here and about creating jobs for people.
It's all about local talent, keeping the job industry within Scotland, ensuring that we grow as a Scottish business for our government and for life science. It's going to bring industry, it's going to be business. This used to be a wasteland, and in 10 years' time I can see it bustling with scientific activity, jobs to the local industry.
For me, being able to create manufacturing jobs which have got very strong links through apprenticeships can then give people solid jobs for life.
It's always exciting and there's always something new to learn, and we've got a great bunch of people.
It's about enjoying the science, enjoying working with a whole load of really bright people and actually making a difference, leaving a legacy.
It's very exciting, it's having a real difference in the industry. But for me, it's the people that work here, because you're working with the best that exist. And we can't imagine the projects that are going to come in the future. We are only starting. What is the future going to be? That's yet to be described.